Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your audio device, and you can change it back over to your TV speakers if you're using a headset. Really easy. So if you're using a headset and you're playing games and then all of a sudden you want to hear the TV speakers, press the PlayStation button and then go on over to sound, this icon. Now if you don't see it, press options and it will be under the hidden controls and just move it up to the top of the D-pad. Then we can select sound right here. And it will give us an option for audio device. Select this. And you can see I can switch from my headphones, my Turtle Beach Stealth 700s, and I can switch it on over to the TV. And once I do that, I'll hear the audio come through my TV speakers. And this could be nice if you're playing a single player game all of a sudden, and you're playing Call of Duty before you need a headset. So I switch back and forth when I'm sitting on a couch, and I prefer listening through the TV speakers most of the time playing single player games. So you can switch it right here, back and forth, really easy. And then you have the volumes, and the controller volume will display under here too once I switch it over. But we can also go on over to microphone right here, and we have the same option. We can switch it from the headset, and then we can use the controller microphone if we really wanted to. So sometimes I'll do this just to talk to people in Call of Duty when I don't want my headset on. Now there is another way that we can switch the audio. We can go to settings right here, scroll on down to sound, and then we can go to microphone, and then we have input device right here, and we have microphone status when logged in. We can turn this to mute, so as soon as we log into our account, the microphone is automatically muted. Then we can go to audio output right here, and we'll have the same option. We have Stealth 700 or HDMI TV. Then we have this option right here. It's called switch output device automatically. If you turn off the setting, your PS5 won't automatically switch the audio output device to a new one, such as a headset you connect. So if you're listening to sound through the TV, you connect a headset, it's going to automatically switch it over to that headset or that new device you connected. If you uncheck mark this and turn this off, it will not switch. It will stay on whatever setting you have listed right here. So this could be beneficial, and then you'll have to come into this menu and switch it over manually to your new headset that you plugged in. So sometimes it gets really annoying when it just switches over automatically, or sometimes it will just keep disconnecting and switching back and forth. So you could try turning off that setting to fix that issue. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.